Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Toyota Fielder. It's a hybrid type. This vehicle has a problem with dashboard lights. Let me show you. Let me try to start. Right now the vehicle is ready, but we have a lot of dashboard lights. We have check engine, we have off-road, we have ABS, then we have look, the handbrake lights, then we have the steering light. So today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. I'm going to scan this vehicle using the thinker machine. So we have a lot of fault code. So under the engine control module, we have a fault code which is U0293, lost communication with hybrid vehicle control system pending. Then we have lost communication with the hybrid vehicle control system pending. Then we have another one, hybrid control, lost communication with ECU and PCM. Then we have lost communication with brake system control module. Then under electrical motor power and steering, lost communication with brake system control module. Then so the problem is lost communication with brake system control module. So it is ABS. Let me try to clear the fault code. So I have already cleared the fault code, but the lights are still on the dashboard. See, the check engine, off-road, ABS, then the handbrake light, they're still on the dashboard. This is the ABS pump. We normally call it the brake control module. So I'm going to remove this socket so that we test the one ignition, 3 constant, and 4 up. So this is the ABS. You need to make sure the ignition is on. Let me put ignition on. So I want to make sure the tester is on the earth. So we have around 3 constant. So this is the first constant wire. Then we have second constant. Then we have the third constant here. Then finally we have an ignition. The small pin here, we have ignition, this small pin. I'll show you that one. So meaning when it's come to positive terminal or positive power, that is okay. So let's confirm for the earth. Make sure the tester is on the first earth, the second earth, the third earth. That means the signals are okay. So the main culprit is the ABS actuator. So we are going to swap that ABS actuator. This is the new ABS actuator I'm installing. After installing the new ABS, I had to do ABS calibration. After that, I had to clear fault code from the system. So after that, I had to put ignition on and off to confirm those lights. See, it's ready right now. There's no any light on the dashboard. Let me try. So the vehicle is running perfect, but we don't have any ABS off-road lights on the dashboard. So thank you for watching, and don't forget